Okay. We're gonna be reacting to People versus Nature fail, cause people is dumb. They wanna play with nature, so you shouldn't be playing with that. Let's get right into it. Let's see what's up with it.
Fox 5, and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Ooh, that was scary for me. I'm gonna say something. I'm from Puerto Rico, and I know what this is. Yo, you should not play with this at all. Like, no, don't do it, bro. You're gonna get fucked up. Do not do that, bro. Don't do that. Get off the way. Yeah, GG's. Boom.
Oh, she's gone. Oh.
Yep, most of them are gone. They can. Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that's no bueno. Y'all gotta get out of there. Y'all have to get out of there. Yep. Bro, that is scary.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're not looking back. Oh,
Yep.
Bye-bye.
I've been there. But I used to do it for fun. That ass. We used to do it for fun. Me and my brother used to do that for fun. But when you see that, that's dangerous. Yeah, they laughing right now because they don't know how bad it is. But what is you doing? Get it. Oh nah, you wildin'. Ooh.
Holy crap.
Oh!
Just busted my window.
Girl, get out of there!
Holy crap.
The sound it was scared me.
Oh my
Damn.
god.
Get out of there though. You playing with fire right now. Yup, GG's. Yup, that's not cool.
Did you see that?
Our boy might not know how to swim. He knows, but you gotta get out. Oh no! Where is you at?
Heavenly Father, please help us.
Ask for help, cause
Please help us to be safe.
where the fuck is you? Oh no, yo, you know what's crazy? I remember when I first went to Boston. There's a few boys. My first winter from school, they invited me to a river to do this, and I said no. And then I asked my dad, like, yo, like, they invited me to do this, whatever, blah blah blah. And my dad was pissed because he was like, oh, you don't know how dangerous that is. I said no, but don't do this because you see it's frozen on the top, on the bottom. Most of the time there's a lot of how do you say it? The thing is like going too fast. The water is taking, like, it has too much power, and it could bring you down with it. Like if it breaks and you're down, you won't be able to hold yourself. Because it's ice. So you're gonna go down there, boom, and you're gone, and you won't be able to break to the top, and you might be dead. You get me? So don't. Oh yeah. Damn, boy, that was scary. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, this is bad. This is bad. I gotta get the fuck out of there. This is bad. Why you ain't paying attention, man? Gets me pissed off, bro. She don't got the camera no more. Yep.
Oh my god. The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house.
Get out of the house then, or try to like move to a safer area. Oh yeah, don't get out of the house. Never mind.
Holy
I will hit you hard. You gotta go somewhere safer. Oh, fuck! Don't go in the water. What the fuck was that? What's going on? Oh shit, a tornado. Is it a tornado? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yep, she was like, I'm out of there. Oh, ooh. That shit just hit that shit right there, boy. You better get the fuck out of there. Get inside of the house, bruh. Ooh. The stop sign is like, lady, what is you doing, man? She might be gone. She's leaving. She out of the country. Yeah, GG's for her. Why would she do? Oh no. Oh no, ain't no way. Thank God he came back. I was about to say he's a dickhead or she's a dickhead. How you gonna see an old lady and just leave it there, bro? Like, you don't do that. Come on. Thank God she actually, you know, she saw. You can't do that, bro. I don't like when people do that. Help them out, bro. They did a lot for the, you know, back then or whatever. Oh, wow. That's bad. That's gone. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Is that a house? Oh, wow. It hit the tree. That could be dangerous because if you hit the tree, you know, a little bit better, it might be on your house. That's bad. Why are you in the middle? Oh, shit. Oh, oh. What the fuck? Oh, hell nah.
Holy I got it!
Where are you, Alaska? Oh, nah, that's crazy. You gotta get out of there, boy. Why is, bro, nature is mad. What the fuck?
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
Okay.
What is that again, honey?
That was random as hell. Yo, that is scary, bro. That's scary as hell. That sounds hard as fuck. Oh no, bro, you can't. Did you see? You better hold on. You better hold on. They be playing with water, and I don't like that. Nah. What's going on in here? What's actually happening? Wait. Is the whole island moving? Is it taking it away? That's wild. That's how islands happens, bro. That's how islands be getting created. You know that person's gonna be happy because he have. Oh shit. Oh nah.
Oh my god.
Bye bye. Say bye bye to a trampoline.
Oh my god.
I knew it.
Mommy!
You can't do anything about it. It's not your fault, bro.
Mike, look at your line.
Oh, that's cooked. That's lava. That might be Hawaii. That gotta be Hawaii. Oh, I'm sorry for the Star Wars thing, bro. The robot. Damn. That's cooked. That's gonna blow up. It gotta blow up. Earthquake? Oh no. Can barely see it though. Oh, now you can see it. your wife inside of the house? That's scary, bro. Oh, I'm so sorry for them. I'm sorry, bro. I feel bad for real. That's scary. I know that there's... Oh, I'm sorry, man. I feel bad. What the fuck happened to her? Seizure? What was that? Oh, his eyes. Oh, shit. Oh, GG's. What the fuck is they doing? There is no time to get ready, bro. What is that though? Damn, the Beamer? I'm sorry, bro. Get up the car though. I hope there's nobody in the car. Is there a person in the car? I don't know if there was, but help them, bro. Help them. Yeah. The boy did it by himself. Oh, that's scary.
That is incredible.
Damn.
As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen a tree.
I'm sorry to the chipmunk that was living there, bruh. Don't do that.
Are you okay? Hang on, Marie, hang on.
You're playing with it right now. You're playing with it right now, yeah. You're acting like it's actually that bad. What's it, acting? Oh shit, the fish hit him in the dick.
Oh, this is stupid.
Yep, that was dumb.
This is so f***ing stupid.
I was dumb.
I flooded the engine.
You did? Damn right you did.
We gotta let it go, we gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Crack that. Turn it to the wind, turn it to the wind, turn it to the wind. Oh, boy.
Ooh, that was bad. Damn, where do you live, bro? What? Fucking what? Where are you living? Hell no. What? This is not nature. The fuck? I've been one. Oh shit, that was nature. I wanted to do this. I always wanted to do this. Girl, what are you doing? Oh, the truck. Oh no, the car. Jeez. Yeah, I feel so sorry for him. It's not even his fault, bro. It's not his fault, bro. Can't be mad at him, at least. Oh, wow. Oh. She's holding for dear life. Oh, beast. This. Ooh, he got hell of them. Keep on going. Oh my god, y'all dumb as hell. Y'all gotta keep on going. Coño. Me están chingando. Oh no. Is that snow? No. Yep, it's pushing every car back. I feel sorry for some people, bro. Taking my shit. See ya.
No more marshmallows, man.
Don't worry, we have 2 packs.
Don't worry, we got 2 packs. Boy, give me that shit. I mean, if I see a raccoon, I'm out of there. I don't like raccoons, bro. They attack. They got rabies. I'm out of there. I'm not playing with them. Nah, they look like humans too. They can stand on 2 feet and be like this with their hands. Fuck that, bro. I'm out of there. I don't like raccoons. I don't do that. Yeah, that was a quick short one, you know what I'm saying? Because we're gonna be on vacation. So that's what's up. You know, I'm gonna leave that right there for you guys. Peace.